New Year's resolutions are almost always done from a place of trauma. Here is what failed before. Here is what I think I'm bad at. Here is what I desperately need to do. We are recreating a trauma cycle and we're walking in assuming it's going to go better, but really just setting ourselves up to fail. I would love to tell you, A, why you might not be doing yourself as much good as you think with a New Year's resolution, and B, what you might feel inspired to do instead, I hope. People want to quit smoking, they start remembering all the times they quit, and then they came right on back again. And with the added bonus that when you try to quit smoking, that link in your brain ties into all the other times you quit, all the hard stuff that came up, all the unprocessed emotion, all the unprocessed trauma, and it dumps it at you even faster this time when you even think about not smoking again. You're going to exercise more. Fabulous. If that feels good, amazing. Do it. Usually, though, what happens is, I did it twice. I'm amazing. Oh, I don't feel like doing it today. I am such a loser. I am too lazy. You get the picture. What I suggest instead is allow yourself a moment to think of even just one thing. I mean, knock yourself crazy, knock yourself crazy, knock yourself out, be crazy, go crazy. Pick 20 if you want. But instead of making a New Year's resolution of, I'm going to stop this, I'm going to start this, I'm going to dig into my trauma pile and find the biggest trauma, instead ask yourself, what is ready to evolve? What am I ready to allow myself to move past, to celebrate what it's done for me, and move on to the thing that's going to be even better for me next? You might come up with something completely unrelated, because honestly, the trauma that's anchoring that could be the thing that is ready to evolve. You could just say, how am I ready to evolve? You could look around at what articles are inspiring, or what speakers make you feel good, or what class do you feel like taking. All of those things are amazing. And if you want to pick one thing, going back to the exercise, let's say, just because, people come in with that one all the time, you go, okay, I feel inspired to discover what my body wants and needs that I didn't realize it needed before. And then let that play out. Let yourself look into what your body wants and needs that you hadn't done for it before because you didn't know. There's no blame. There's no shame. And so maybe what comes up is, I've always felt like I should jog because everybody in my family jogs and I know it's really good for the heart and whatever the story is. And you give yourself permission to try something new until you find something you love. You take a belly dancing class, you go for a swim, you go for a walk. You allow yourself to stop judging. I jogged twice and then I stopped because I'm terrible. And you go, you know what? Jogging might not be my thing, but holy crow, that tap dancing class, I look forward to that. What are you inspired to evolve? What are you allowed to move forward and change? Happy New Year. I hope you have a wonderful end of this year. I hope you have a brilliant, beautiful next year. And I hope you get to evolve in all the best ways.